Here is a local market in Kolkata.
How much? 20 rupees. 20 rupees. 20.
I drank juice like this in Vietnam. But in Vietnam, it seemed a little cleaner compared to this one here. And here they pour it into a bucket. It's not very sterile.
आगे वीडियो चले जाएगा फेसबुक पर जैसे जैसे करो वैसे वैसे होगा
This is India. From the very first day, it's giving me this kind of shock.
How much?
20 रुपया 10 रुपया 10
10?
10
हाँ, okay.
एक है डबल
No,
20
no, no.
20 वाला
10.
हाँ ये वाला 10 ये वाला 20
10, yes?
or 20.
10, 10.
बहुत बढ़िया है
খাচ্ছে সেটা রেকর্ডিং হচ্ছে রেকর্ডিং
Video. Thank you. Good.
बढ़िया जोश है जोश बढ़िया है
হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পারছেন
Let's look into this hole. All right, then I'll check on the camera what's inside. Let's take a look inside the tuk-tuk test drive.
Camera.
This is inside the Kolkata metro. I had just gone and stood over there because there was shade on that side. Someone shouted at me, "Hey, ladies, ladies," telling me to move to this side. And here is India's train.
করোনা ভাইরাস নাকি?
হ্যাঁ প্রচুর বাইকে
All right, I got off the carriage safely. Now I'm going to the next station. I need to get to the hostel. Here I am standing in line. There's the counter over there. I'll buy a ticket there. Such a long line. Now this actually looks like a real metro. When I rode the first one, I bought a ticket like this. The price is only 5 rupees. It doesn't even reach 1 cent. No one checks it anyway. Who could check inside that thing? And here, it's a proper metro. With a token, it costs 20 rupees. This one is a normal metro. I don't know what that other one was. Good afternoon. Today is the next day, my second day in India. Yesterday, things went like this. My camera battery died yesterday while I was riding the metro. And when I got to the hostel and lay down on the bed, I passed out right away too. I fell asleep like that in the evening and only woke up in the morning. Now I've gone out to eat. The red light is on over there, but people still keep crossing like this. This is one of the most central districts of Kolkata. I won't go through the inside. I'll go around from the outside because there's no space to pass inside. Dirty, narrow. The view you see here, this is nothing. On top of that, there's a smell here. A very unpleasant, stinky smell. A dude at the hostel told me there's a good place to eat here, so I'm going there. Here it is, Biryani Corner, a place like this. I ordered this food. It has chicken inside. They don't wipe the tables here. If you look like this through the reflection of the light, here in this spot, it looks dirty. You can see the grease there. You can see everything. No one worries about that. Nobody cares. All right. They brought the food like this. I need to taste this right away to check if it's spicy or not. It's spicy, so I won't eat it. They also brought noodles like this. My throat is already starting to burn. The soup is not bad. Now let's try eating this one. It's not bad. It's like regular manti but with chicken, but there's a lot of pepper. Because there's a lot of pepper, I feel like coughing. If you're eating right now, enjoy your meal. I wasn't just sitting here sweating. It's very spicy. A lot of pepper. Now I'm eating the noodles. The noodles are a little spicy too. I noticed that in India, in many eateries, there is water like this. Everyone drinks it. It's on every table. When they drink, they don't touch it with their lips. I tried to drink like that, but couldn't. It's very hard. I always end up spilling it, but Indians drink it easily, without touching it with their lips, pouring it straight into their mouth. And here there are no napkins on the table to wipe your hands. That's it for now. I'm done. All of this costs 60 rupees. This is how they eat outside. They eat like this with their hands. They buy it right there where it's being sold. And then they just keep eating it with their hands. Did you notice that both sides of my shoulders are wet? The reason is because I was wiping my sweat like this. It was so spicy that the back of my head was sweating. There's trading going on here like this. They're selling everything on this side of the sidewalk and on this side of the road.
What is it?
पैनी
Penny.
गब्बर सिंह ने गब्बर सिंह खाया था शोले बॉय में अमिताभ बच्चन
What is it, penny?
शोले बॉय में खाया था
It's like drug.
बच्चन था
How you use it?
कितने आदमी था रे सरदार
You
कैसे
like
खा
this?
या
Okay.
बोलिए
No.
गब्बर सिंह खाया था शोले बॉय में अब ये खा रहा है गब्बर का लड़का है
Okay.
तो चला गया ये खा रहा है
Thank you.
ये मारेगा मोदी सरकार को
They put this kind of unknown plant into their mouths and then walk around like that. It's like our Nazve.
How much banana? I have 5 rupees.
One piece, 5 rupees. One piece, 5 rupees.
I bought 2 bananas like this for 1 cent. Small bananas. Yesterday, half of my day was spent looking for a SIM card. First of all, it's hard to find a place that sells SIM cards. Even if you find one, they don't sell you a SIM card. To buy a SIM card, you have to be a citizen of India. They don't sell SIM cards to foreign citizens. And if they do, they only sell them on a certain street here in Kolkata. So tomorrow, I'm going there. Taxi drivers like this. Taxi drivers who move on foot. I wanted to throw yesterday's ticket somewhere. There are no trash bins on the street. Look at the number of tuk-tuks here. There are so many tuk-tuks. My hostel is located in a place like this. Now I'll show you the inside of the hostel. In the hostel, there's a place like this to go upstairs. We go back down to the first floor like this. This is the room where I'm staying. This is the toilet. A convenient toilet like this. You can squat on it. And the shower, and this is me. That's it. The video ends here. If you liked the video, hit like. And there will be more videos from India coming up next. So you don't miss those videos. Subscribe to my channel